Good morning. My name is Sharmin. If you're watching my replay, thank you so much for watching my replay and welcome. And if you're live here, welcome. I'm doing my daycare routine. This is Sharmin. I am a pharmacy beauty influencer. Hi Anita, how are you? Hello. So I'm here to do my skincare routine for daytime, and usually I do use not every day, but sometimes I do use my calendula soap. Today I've used this already, and I'm going to do more steps now. But I just want to tell you that I don't know what happened to me, and this it seemed like a pimple or a bug bite. I don't know. I'm good too, thank you. Yes, I am good. Just got busy, that's why I'm late, because I was preparing for my makeup bag. I got an opportunity to go after COVID, after a year, to do as a makeup artist, to do some work. And yes, I was preparing for it, so I was late. So that's why I'm live here now. So I was saying that I didn't know it was pimple or not. I was kind of confused, but it was there for 2-3 days, and it was, I don't know, I scratched it and it was a big one. But I see a difference now, and I like to share that how this tea tree oil helped me so much. I was so worried about it. Sometimes how we are concerned about our skin. So just as a spot treatment, I used it yesterday 2-3 times, and then it's like so much good now. So yes, I already did my calendula soap. I usually we don't have one size that fits all model. Like, I'm talking about a pharmacy brand that I work. This is my brand, and we have something for everyone. I'm just gonna show what I use. We do have all problems, everything, something for everyone, for oily skin, for dry skin, for dark spots and uneven skin tone, for acne skin tone, for anti-aging skin tone. So I'm gonna show you what I use. So last night, usually in the nights, I use my serum because I am sometimes combination and I am sometimes dry. So this helped me. This also helps reduce acne if you have. So this helped me a lot. So I just wanted to share. This helped me so much. This is something amazing. I've already used my soap, but otherwise when every day I use soap. This is a brightening exfoliating cleanser. This is Dr. C Tuna Lumi Radiance for uneven skin tone and dark spots. If you have, I have the whole set, but I kind of mix and match, but you can use the whole set. Always there is first step is a cleanser, soap, cleanser, and then there is a second step is a toner. So now it's time for me to do the toner, and this is my toner, Lumi Radiance Brightening Tonic, that enhances the brightness and also helps your skin to do a balance, helps to maintain the balance of your skin, your pH level balance. So this is the toner of Lumi Radiance that I'm using. I just put it in my spray bottle. You can also swipe it with the cotton pad as however you like it. So this is my toner right here. So a little bit more company that I wanted to talk to you about, our pharmacy. This is something very affordable. Everything that we have affordable, and it works really good, and it is amazing. I've been using it for more than 6 months, and it has been improved my skin so much. As you can see the results, and I'm gonna say again and again how this tea tree serum is just $10. How it always helps my pimple go away. I had some 4 or 5 of them here, and I then used my dark spots, these line, and it helped me reduce my dark spots as well. It takes time, but it does help. Sometimes it really depends how your skin is like. I've been taking care of my skin since a year, so my skin is really improved. So it really depends on your skin. Sometimes it works right away, sometimes it takes 2-3 days or more. So it seems like the toner is absorbed on my skin. Now it's time for me to do the serum. The serum that I'm using for Aqua Boosting Hydro Drops line, this is with a hyaluronic acid in there, and this is dermatologist tested, paraben, gluten, and fragrance free. This helps to this gives a great hydration to your skin. It's good for your dry skin, and this is also it also targets the texture skin. So this serum does improves the texture skin as well. So it has really easy to use. You can just take it out from here and then just apply. So in our skincare routine, our whole steps is really important to use in order to improve your skin. First cleanser, then toner, and then serum. Serum is very, very important because it deeply penetrates your skin. It goes into your skin deeply and minimizes your pores and improves texture, fine lines, and whatever issues that you have based on your skin type. So my this is done. While I wait for my serum to absorb, I'm going to use my eye cream, and this brightening eye cream helps targets the dark spots or fine lines if you have it. So only use it like this. Just be gentle with your skin and just tap and just like kind of massage here to help reduce any kind of wrinkles that you have. And yes, it has given a lot of improve on my crow's feet, my fine lines, wrinkles, because I did started noticing as my age is going up. So these products have helped me a lot. So this is my eye cream that I just used. I'm done with that, and I'm not gonna take longer. And this is the Calendula line is also for sensitive and dry skin. So like I said, we are very affordable, and it does work. Is because a lot of skincare are expensive. It's because they have someone in middle company to do extra work, but we are affordable because everything that we do is in-house. The formulations to manufacturing and the packaging to bubble wrapping, anything we do in-house. That's why we are very affordable. That cost the money. So this is only $27.90, and this is what you just need: 1-2 drops of your calendula oil, and the calendula line helps reduce any kind of inflammation that you have, any redness, rosacea, anything. So yes, whatever the issues that you have, we do have solutions to that. Either dark spots, uneven skin tone, if you have a redness, or if you have inflammation skin like I used to have, and it's improved me a lot. And any acne skin, oily skin, dry skin. So usually what I do is in the daytime I use my calendula oil after completing all the steps. So it's really important to use each step. Either you can just mix and match, or you can use a whole line, but just use complete steps like cleanser, toner, serum, eye cream, and day cream, and SPF. At the end, the last step is the SPF that you have to use no matter what, because the summer is coming up. I do have SPF sunscreen too. Yes, we do need that no matter what. So my oil is done, and then after my oil, after a while when I go out, then what I use is, I do have my sunscreen too, but when I use my oil, I do use, after that you can use the cream, the fourth step, and the Lumi Radiance Brightening Cream SPF 22 that I am going to use. So yes, for the skincare, we have welcome. So yes, we do have a lot of solutions. After 5-10 minutes, I'm going to use this this SPF 22 brightening cream. So this is the skin, my look. This is what I look like. And yes, so you need any of the skincare, whether I do have an aqua line, I have a calendula line, I have a tea tree line, I have an acne line, I have a charcoal line. Charcoal line is for someone, a combination skin and someone who have a larger pores. That's what it is for. And I have a Lumi Radiance line, I have an age reverses line. So based on your skin issues, you message me directly and I'll help you find a right one for you. I can, hi Leila, I can mix and match for you, or you can use the complete whole step. If you buy the complete set, it's gonna cost you really affordable, even more, but we are even if you want a single, it's affordable. So direct message me and I'm happy to help you. Thank you. And Leila, sprinkle it, and yes, that's all I need. Just support, a big support. A little support is enough for me, and I'm grateful to all of you. Thank you.